Yeah.
Legit,
How about
bruh.
you, Ate Jazz? How
Legit.
about you, Ate Jazz? You also answer the question.
Ay,
This is
hindi kasi Rain ask away lang. Ako yung
no.
host.
This is also Rain and Jazz. No, you're also here. Eh. Bala ka
Ako
dyan.
si Miss Bianca.
No, mag-answer ka. Uy, sige kita duha. Ano ka ba?
Ikaw pinunta ng mga tao dito. Ako lang host. Okay lang yan.
Oh my God.
Pero same naman tayo. Ay! Pero sinagot.
Rupo ka.
Oo. Hindi ka sure. Um, wait, ano pa? Will you spend X? Ano, Rain? Will you spend Christmas? Ano will you? Yes, she will spend with Maya po.
Ay, yeah. For real, for real.
May isa pang question dito. Do you love Home Alone movies?
Yeah, I
According to
watch it.
B.
Yes, I watch Home Alone every Christmas.
Yeah, di ba?
Legit.
From,
May nakasulat dito. Parang ka-talking stage nating lahat si Rain. Ay,
crazy.
grabe yan.
May isa from, ay yung question kanina galing kay Kay, Bini X Kai Rain.
Ayos, shout out.
Tapos ito from Lexi, hashtag Rain Asaway, what is the biggest lesson you've learned from your PBB journey?
My PBB journey talaga legit. Like, my biggest learning talaga is to believe in myself, guys. Kasi, no one I
True.
keep saying nga, no one will be, how will ever, wow, hindi makatalk. How will, how will someone believe in you when you yourself, you don't believe in yourself? You have to do it yourself first.
True.
Love yourself first, put yourself first, believe in yourself. You know?
True.
Bruh, that's what I learned talaga na parang, before you believe in others, do yourself first. Yeah.
True.
Yes.
Galing ng learnings mo.
Legit. What did you learn, Ate Jazz?
Broadcast mo to. Ay,
Huwag ka
broadcast.
na
Space
ma-shy,
mo to.
uy. Guys, you love Ate Jazz as much as I love Ate Jazz, don't you?
Oh, I love you, Rina. Biggest learning ko is to forgive yourself.
Oh my
Learn how to
God.
forgive yourself.
That was just the episode I watched kanina.
Ah,
Crazy.
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Pero ang dami kasing learning sa bahay ni
Yeah,
Kuya eh. Pero
true.
yun yung nag-stick talaga na
Mm.
nasampal ako sa face ko ni Kuya
Ay,
na,
grabe naman.
oo nga, no? Hindi ako nagpa-forgive sa sarili ko. Kaya siguro ang laki ng baggage ko ng regret and conscience. And I forgot the term. Anyway, Rain, ask away. Lexi pa rin. What course would you like to take if you go to college?
Now, I'm going back to my second choice. Parang business management.
Oh.
Kasi, I was doing, RadTech. You know that?
Yeah.
Radiology technologist.
Geology.
Yeah, pero parang mas mag-match if I do business ad. You know, diba?
Whatever makes you sleep at night. Whatever makes you happy.
Whatever makes
Anong
your
nasa
boat
puso
float.
mo? True. Ito, galing din kay Lexi. Oy, magaling.
Wow,
What's the
favorite mong
best
bunot yan ah.
advice? Uy, kasi ang dami niyang question. What's the best advice you've ever received from Ate Jazz?
My best advice from Ate Jazz.
Crazy.
I remember, ang dami kasi advices ni Ate Jazz, legit. Kasi parang, when we talk about something, it will lead to like an advice talaga. Kasi Ate Jazz talaga eh. Words of wisdom girl talaga eh. But siguro yung nag-stuck talaga sa akin, yung na it's okay to feel things, you know? Ay, parang,
Yeah.
parang, what you feel right now, it's valid. And you shouldn't invalidate yourself kasi parang, nararamdaman mo yun. So, you should, parang i-feel mo yung emotions mo kasi if you're gonna bottle it all up, you're gonna explode someday. That's what Ate Jazz said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy. I remember this conversation sa
Yeah.
White Couch.
Yeah, we had with Keisha.
Yeah.
I remember this. That's why.
Nonchalant.
It was a very magulong week. And Ate Jazz was there. And I was like, oh my God. Tama yung mga sinasabi ni Ate Jazz. We should all follow Ate Jazz. So I'm like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Keisha. Next question by Shane.
Say thank you, Keisha.
Ay, thank you, Rina.
Oh my God. Hanggang
Bro.
space pa naman.
Bro, this is crazy. I called Keisha Reina also. Wala na. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm
Never
such
give
a
me
bad
the
host.
two
Sleepy
and
na.
one allegations.
True, ito from Shane. What advice would you give your pre-PBB self from the perspective of your future self now? Or your present self? Kasi now,
Mm. Kasi now we know na.
yeah,
Tapos si pre-PBB
PBB.
Rain, wala pa
Wala
siyang
kang
alam.
alam. Mm-mm.
Excited lang siya.
Yes.
Um, I guess, wow, good question, no?
Diba? Ang galing
Wow,
ni
so
Shane.
smart. Sino yan? Shout
Si
out sa'yo.
Shane.
Shout out
Shane.
Shane. Enjoy. Kasi tama naman yung tinithink mo right now na i-enjoy mo siya. Because you have to enjoy the show talaga. You enjoy your stay there kasi it's a once in a lifetime experience. PBB is crazy. And
Mm-hmm.
you have enjoy it and treasure all the moments because it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be fast.
Actually.
So treasure, cherish every minute, every second, and but also be prepared for your emotions and be prepared for your just be prepared. I have nothing to say, no spoilers to you.
Just enjoy the process.
Just enjoy. Like legit.
Oo.
But
Sa-
actually, I enjoyed it, bro.
yeah.
What would you
Uh,
say to your pre-PBB Jazz?
bruh. What would I say? Di ko alam. Um, di ko alam actually.
Diba? It was hard. I had to think.
I feel like I would just say na be an open book talaga.
Mm,
Like enjoy because it's a blessing to be part of
yeah.
PBB.
Yeah.
It is. But yeah, just be an open book and be more flexible to
Mm,
everything. Yeah. Yun
yeah.
siguro.
Good job. Good
Hirap.
job.
Pero 'di ba we had a conversation sa labas ng eviction night ni Mark na, pinili pala natin
Was that
'to.
out? Na air ba
I
yan?
don't know if that's aired.
Basta guys, when Mark was evicted, Ate Jazz and I went out for air. Tapos biglang, naiyak lang kami. I'm like, Ate Jazz, voluntary pala to, no?
Ang hirap pala nung ginusto natin 'to.
Yeah, kasi as much as like, we enjoyed the PBB stay, it was hard naman. It was
It was.
legit, it was a challenge. Kasi yun naman yung point ng show, di ba? I-challenge
Yeah.
kami. So, good job, PBB, kasi na-challenge kami.
True.
Yeah, but it was all a good experience. I loved it.
Yeah.
Daming learnings. Okay.
Amen. Okay, next question from Sia. Sia? Are you going hiking again anytime
Oh my
soon?
God, Ate
Yes.
Jazz!
Oh, sobrang busy, sobrang busy.
Oh my gosh! It's gonna
But we
happen pa rin. I'm not
yeah.
gonna leave this world without doing a hiking with Ate Jazz.
Yeah, I told Rain na I already asked where and yung mga rates and everything.
Yeah.
Kailangan lang namin ma-meet yung schedule.
Yeah. Kasi
Sobrang busy
bro,
pa.
BNK pa lang, nag-talk na kami Ate Jazz na bro, we have to hike talaga.
Yeah.
My
And we
dream
will.
mountains are ano, Pinatubo and Pulag.
We're going first, I think, sa Pulag.
Really? Wow, let's
I
go.
think so.
That's in
Di ko
ano,
alam.
I think that's in
Wait.
Baguio ata eh.
Yeah, but when our schedules are
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, alright.
Yes. But we will do that next year.
Yeah. You think the yacht party with the housemates will happen?
Feeling ko it will happen, pero ano pa,
Tagal pa no?
after everything,
Yeah.
like as a
Ay,
closing to everything. Yeah.
ana.
Busy pa eh.
Why?
But that will happen.
Yeah.
We will make it happen.
Yes, yes.
Okay, next question. Kasi ang daming question rin. What are the things you do during this holiday season if nasa Cebu ka or back in Cebu? This is from Azzy.
But this holiday season, we're not going back to Cebu. We're staying in Manila. My brothers are coming here. Tapos,
Oh, damn.
we're just gonna spend our time together kasi that's what we don't have right now. Time with each other.
Yeah.
So, when we have it this holiday season, we're just gonna enjoy it and it's parang like before, just enjoying it talaga. Spending it with each other. So, yeah.
Quality
family,
time.
quality time with family.
Agree, agree.
Yep, yep,
And
yep.
Tito just left, diba?
Yeah, my dad just left for work again. You. How about you, Ate Jazz? What will you do this holiday season?
Well, I'll also just be with family.
Yes.
Nila Ate Kay, my mom, ganun lang. But we're staying here also in Manila.
You're not going back to Dumaguete.
No. So, yun lang. Parang yun din. Like, a proper quality time with
Yeah.
family. Hindi ko siya masyadong na-achieve. So,
Mm-mm. Yeah, I
I
know,
think
right?
this holiday season, makukuha natin yan.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you miss
Next
Dumaguete?
question. I do. I wanna go
I
back. I
know,
wanna go
right? I
home.
can't imagine.
I'm so jealous of like
You're gonna,
people na nakikita ko stories na nasa Duma or nasa Negros. I'm like, oh,
you're gonna have it soon. Come on. Also Dumaguete, please.
taka lang kasi ang dami mong questions. From Huni,
Huni.
fave OPM artist right now.
Right now, favorite open bar. Mm, wow. Maybe, Maki.
Oh
Mukhang
yeah.
delikado na naman ako. Like that, bro.
Mm, nice one, bro.
Who's your
What's
favorite OPM
ano?
artist muna?
Oh, Janela. Dionela.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Si Marilag, si Sining, si Musika.
Ah, yeah, yeah,
Bro.
yeah.
But kanina, I've been listening to Pangako by Kylie Chari.
I know, right? Wait,
Yeah.
someone just posted it in Pangako.
Yeah, because of Kuya Dong's
Ah,
Ding.
that's why you listen to
I
it?
don't know if, yeah, I don't know if Kuya Ding
Bro.
Dong ba yun or kay Pat na post.
Ah, yeah, yeah. I kept listening to that is a wish. Bro.
Actually. Pero like, parang nabuhayan ako ulit nung narinig ko. I'm like,
I know,
oh,
right?
okay. Next. Ano ba si Salisigang?
Kaya nga eh. From Rain Race ata yun. Ito ay.
What?
I will let you talk, Ron. What's salisigang? Mag-talk ka dyan, Rain Reese.
What's Salisigang? Tinag tayong dalawa eh. Anyway, sige. Well, before siya mag-answer. Or while waiting. From Jarain. What's a personal goal you hope to achieve in 2025, Rain?
um, in 2025, I hope, my, I'm, I'm working with
Right.
projects. Teleserye.
True.
Yeah, like dream high, bro. I want, ganon. Yun yung goal. Teleserye, music video, mga ganyan. And my star
Yeah.
music, journey. So, yeah.
Your album.
Yeah. 2025, let's go!
Let's go. Dream big, guys. Everyone, manifest for whatever you want. Whatever you think, kaya
Yeah.
positive lang always.
What's
You
yours,
will
Ate
get
Jazz?
there. Oh, for me, 2025, yun, I want to be part of a movie or a
Movie,
serie.
teleserye.
Yun. Sorry, hindi ako master music kasi hindi ako singer.
Oy! Oy!
So, ganon.
Oy!
I would want...
Oy!
Anyway, gusto ko lang mag-perform sa ASAP.
Paninindigan kita! Wow, wow!
Correct.
I love it.
What
Oo nga
else?
pala, can I change my answer? My favorite OPM artist is Jazz Dudley Skills. Ah.
Ay, thank you, thank you.
Uy, ang
I
layo
am
na abot ng
honored.
paninindigan mo.
Oo nga, kaya siguro wala pa akong boses ulit ngayon kasi na-world tour
Oh.
pa yung boses ko.
Okay, sige. Keep world touring. I'm rooting
Oo.
for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Coming from Rain Salmar. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Pero gusto ko din mag-learn ng another language next year.
I know! Okay, yeah. I know, right?
Yeah.
Sige, go.
Daming time, di ba? But anyway, ikaw,
Duh.
Rain, what's your favorite subject in school?
Favorite. I like English.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I like it. Like, it's fun.
Do you have the... Oh, never mind. Nakalimutan ko din yung name eh.
Yeah.
Bukas. Or if
Sige.
maalala ko.
Sige.
What's Rain and Jassy? What's your... sorry. Yung what's your favorite subject? That's from Zai. And then
Oh.
from Lou, Rain and Jassy, what's your ideal type?
Ideal type?
Mm-hmm.
Ideal type. Oh,
In-answer mo 'to sa loob ng bahay, eh.
oo nga eh. Broad shoulders, matangkad.
Maputi, chinito, 'di ba? Ay, chinito na moreno,
I
talaga.
don't mind na if mestizo or moreno. Basta I feel like na-attract talaga ako if chinito.
At saka 'pag funny.
Funny, funny, tapos ano, smart.
Yeah.
Parang,
Yeah, bro.
EQ, IQ.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Yeah. For me,
maganda boses.
actually, ako yung ideal type ko, um, marespeto,
Ano?
moreno, um, goal-driven, yung mga
Oh,
gano'n.
I know, right?
Yeah, kailangan may goal.
Yun yung nagpapaka-manly eh. Gusto ko din pala manly.
Yeah, yung
Kasi
manly.
medyo manly na ako. Dapat mas lamangan mo ko.
Dapat mas manly pa talaga.
Oo.
Mm. Yun. Thank you, Lou, for the question. May nagtanong, what's the best advice that Kuya gave you? This is from VKT Fun.
Oh. Best advice, um, is to, yung believe in yourself, be yourself, kasi whatever you do, people will want to see what they want to see. So, just be yourself. And kung alam mo namang you're doing it right, wala kang tinatapakang tao, then keep doing it. Don't, wag kang magpaano sa people kasi whatever you do, people will want to see what they want to see. I remember Kuya said the exact words and I'm like, oh nga no.
Yeah.
So, yeah. If I know naman it's tama or I'm not hurting anyone, then it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you?
When,
What did Kuya say?
best advice ni Kuya, be the ate that you deserve to be.
Ooh.
Or you deserve to have pala.
Ah.
Kasi lagi akong
Oh.
ate sa lahat. Pero
Ah.
parang I also have to do that to myself. Yeah.
That makes sense. Wow, that's
Grabe
nice,
si
Kuya.
Kuya. Di ba? Grabe si Kuya.
Wow. How
Guys,
how come Kuya can come up with those amazing
I know, right?
like that's why sometimes talaga mapaisip ko si Kuya parang si Lord talaga.
Kaya nga sinabi ni Kuya Dingdong Lord eh.
Oo nga eh.
Nung kinausap niya si Kuya.
Oo nga, kaya tuloy pag magpe-pray ako minsan ako, Kuya ko tuloy si Lord, sorry
Oh my
Lord.
gosh, alam mo, common yun sa ating lahat.
Oo nga eh. Legit.
Like, totoo yan.
Nagigilty na tuloy ako.
Oo. As in, totoo yan, guys. When we pray sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, like, own prayer na namin before we
Hmm.
sleep. Meron talagang mga times na nasasabi na namin, Kuya,
Oo
kay
nga eh.
Lord.
Kaya minsan
Kay
tumatawa
Lord.
ako habang nagpe-pray tuloy.
Ah, yes. Ano yung ingredients sa homemade ice cream ni Rain? Oh, so good yung homemade
Oh.
ice cream ni Rain.
Guys, no way! Parang ice cream talaga na binibili nyo sa
Ice cream
convenience store.
yummy.
I'm not lying.
That is so true. As in, I told Rain nga she can actually make this as a business.
Legit! Like,
Legit, bro.
oh, wait. Rain Reese wants to talk.
Go, go.
Rain Reese, ano yung salisi lang?
I
Ah.
can't hear. Is she talking?
No. I
Ay.
think she's shy. Are you shy? Huwag
Why
kang
are you
shy. Hala, ba't
shy?
ka nagka-cry over there?
Ah.
It's okay. I won't force you po. Love you. Ano nga yun? My ingredients, my ice cream ingredients. You know, guys? It was just, kasi it's very limited the ingredients inside Kuya's house. We only had creamer and milk, fresh milk. Ginawa ko yun. And then, just add if you want coffee flavor or chocolate flavor or tiramisu. Yeah, that's it.
Like, timpla-timpla lang yun, di ba?
Yeah,
Walang sa...
grabe. Like, na-shock ako na it's actually very ice cream texture, ice cream lasa, everything.
Totoo. Kami
It,
din. Kaya naging favorite namin. Lalo ng House Challenger.
I know, right? Talagang, what? Mini-melt niyo pa nga yun eh,
Kasi akala namin.
palaman.
But anyway. Ay,
Y-
hindi. Teens versus adults yung mini-melt namin.
Oo, so annoying ha. Like, nag-make ako ng ice cream, tapos pagbalik ko, nag-wait, while we're outside the teens, I'm like, oh, I'm so excited to eat my ice cream. And then when we go inside, nasa microwave yung ice cream. Hala ha, thank you ha.
Hindi kasi namin alam na ice cream yun.
Hi, fair enough. Fair enough.
Uh, pero masarap siya kahit ano.
Of course. Of
Yeah,
course.
masarap yan.
Gawa ko yan eh.
Ganun lang guys, ganun lang siya ka-easy. Tapos tansyahin nyo lang.
Legit.
Okay, next, that was from Raincore. Now,
Ooh.
this question is from Riri. Embarrassing childhood memory.
Embarrassing childhood. Guys, that's a hard question because I've been doing embarrassing things in my parang
Parang it's normal.
yeah, parang I've been very maingay and everything and makulit. So yeah, I've done many things. I don't think I can answer the question. Parang in school, parang mayroong hill part. Tas
Yeah.
ay wala, parang na-feel ko lang gusto ko mag-roll down the hill. The hill, the hill. Tapos naka-school uniform ako, pero trip ko talagang mag-roll down. So nag-roll down ako. Sa
Tapos,
pagtayo ko after rolling down, may tae pa lang nasa
bro.
nasa right left side ko and I'm like, "Oh my God." And I was still halfway through the school day. So, oh my God, that was so oh
My
my God. Oh,
gosh.
oh my God. Also, like, the ice cream in our school ba? It was so mahal. And I bought one. Tapos, before I eat it, nahulog.
So,
Nahulog. And I'm like,
so what,
bro, mahal ah. Uy, I want to eat it pa rin. So, I washed the side na nahulog and I still ate it.
okay lang. Sabi di ba 5 seconds?
Yeah, so, come on, guys. Come on.
It's okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
We listen, we don't judge.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yes.
I was just sharing it actually. It's not an embarrassing moment. I'm just sharing.
Cutesy moment lang.
Ah.
Okay, meron na, ask na to eh. What's your biggest fear? Sorry, may nagtanong si Just D. Anong na-feel mo na trending yung boses mo nung kumanta ka sa Araneta?
Answer.
What?
Answer.
Bruh, I can't believe it. I'm like, what? Kasi sobrang kabado ako nung time talaga. Like, honestly.
Bro, you
Nung
did so good.
sinabi,
Uy, when I listened to that, I'm like, bro, Ate Jazz, slaying it talaga
bruh,
again.
sabi ko tal
Paninindigan kita
no,
mo.
but Coach Ryan was there to help.
Mm. But it,
So,
it was your voice.
yeah. Pero like,
Give credit
tinulungan
to
ako,
yourself.
anong dapat ganito, anong dapat.
Yeah. Thank you,
Anyway, but
Coach, and thank you,
thank
Lord,
you,
for giving
Coach.
Ate Jazz a wonderful
Wow.
voice.
Wow. Pero sabi ko talaga, nung nalaman ko na part ako ng Love Team Prod, I was like, what? Kanta? Oh my gosh. But then, like, that's work. So,
O nga
thank
pala.
you pa rin
We're
sa,
gonna end 12:30 kasi people are awake pa. Dapat matutulog na tayo.
yeah.
Yeah, sorry guys,
Sige,
sorry.
so bilisan natin yung question. Ikaw na
Okay,
lang
okay.
mag-answer. Rain, what if you've already apologized so many times but they still don't acknowledge it? What would you do?
Huh? I'm the one apologizing, tapos
No.
hindi nila in-acknowledge.
Oh yeah, ikaw yung apologize pero hindi in-acknowledge ng mga tao, ng person or yeah. What will you
Um,
do?
Personally, kung ganun, I'll give them space muna kasi parang yun
Yeah.
yung gusto nila eh.
Yeah.
Kasi if they're not acknowledging it, maybe hindi pa sila ready. So, I'll give them space muna. But then, I won't give up. I'll come back to that person kasi, you know, I've done something bad eh. Kaya,
Yeah.
yeah. Pero I'll give them space muna.
Yep. True, true, true.
Agree.
That's agree. Okay, next. Oh, cute. Hi, Blythe. Sabi niya, just I wanna see you go scuba diving. When you're
For
planning to go,
real.
if you go, take Kai, Jaren, Colette, and Binsoy with you. Sama ko na din si Rain.
Wow, wala si Rain. Nandito.
Wala si Rain.
I'm kidding.
Tapos face. Anyway, bilisan ko to.
Matik na kasi matik.
Please paki-ask, gusto niya ba leche flan? Padalhan ko siya. Gusto mo ba daw leche flan? Padalhan ka daw bukas. Pwede ako din. Ay, joke lang.
Oh my God, just eat with me. Yeah, I eat anything, guys. I'm not choosy. I'm not picky. I eat
Yeah,
anything.
eat,
I love
eat,
it.
eat Rain's everything. Rain eats
How do
everything.
you eat your leche flan, Ate Jess? Cold or hot?
Cold.
Oh, it's
You
cold,
like
no?
hot?
No, I eat cold. Pero someone, it to me hot. I'm like, oh,
Oh,
So,
interesting.
na-shock lang ako kasi I always eat it cold eh.
Is that Jolie?
Jolie?
Jolie eats like spaghetti. Ah, ay, cold pala yung kay Jolie na spaghetti. Mali ako. Sorry. Never mind.
Oh, but fruits though
Okay.
cold.
Oh, fruits, of course. Definitely cold.
I know, right? Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, um, Rain Rain ask away. Sorry, galing yun kay Mamita. Yung fleche
Mamita.
flan. Um, Rain Rain ask away from Vane. Are you aware of your international fans, mostly in Indonesia?
Ooh. Nakikita ko po here on X usually na meron kaming international fans. I'm like, wow, crazy. Paano yun nangyari? Kasi I was just like, wow, like, wala lang, gulat ako and I'm thankful, grateful for supporters na lumalabas outside Philippines. I'm like, oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
What's up, Indonesia? Oh,
Oh.
thank you po.
Okay, next. Thank you for that question. My next, ito,
Hi, Rain.
from,
Hello po, Rain
hi,
Reese.
Rain Reese.
Hello. Pwede pong pa-shoutout sa Rain Race Salisigang.
Oh, shout out Rain Reese Salisigang, but what's
What's
Salisigang,
a
ha?
lisigang?
Ano po, sumasalisi po kami 'pag wala si Mama Mary.
Anong salisisi,
We're the wrong people to be told Salisi.
actually,
Sorry, guys. Salisi. Salisi.
salisi, like
She said,
makisig,
sumasalisi sila if wala si Mama Mary.
like, like,
That's Kaino.
like magpapa salisi, like lala, ha?
I
Lalabas?
think, sumisingit?
Oo?
Oo?
Sumasalisi po para magkaayuda.
Sa
Ah!
silisi.
Ah! That's why,
Sumisingit.
Ate just Rain Reese and Fiang Rain is actually so funny.
Actually, nakita ko
Kasi,
yan eh.
nakita mo, their humor is so funny. Like, nakita ko, kasi, in, what city ba yun?
Yung,
Cavite?
yung Cavite, yes, yes.
Yeah, Cavite. Kai wasn't there, and then they started like, oh, ito na time natin, chu 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 chu, and then nag
Nakita ko
friends sila
yun.
dun sa ex. I'm like, wow, they're so funny. I love you guys. I love Rain Reese and Fang Rain. Let's
Ganun
go,
lang.
guys.
Chill lang lahat. Walang
Yeah,
away, walang
yeah.
ganun.
No toxicity. Like, peaceful, funny. I love it.
Yes, we
Ganito
love.
lang. Happy shipping. Love it.
That's true. And at the end of the day, we're all friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. May nagtanong, this is just the end game. Ano sa tingin nyo sa sarili nyo na naging role model kayo sa kabataan ngayon? Ikaw rin. Like,
Oh,
you're only 18, but grabe yung impact na you gave people and the
yeah.
inspiration. So, how do you feel?
At first, like, very overwhelming kasi I was just a student na maingay and makulit. And biglang, boom, marami na pa pala nag-watch sa akin, na-inspire sa akin. So I'm like, oh, I'm thankful. And proud of myself din na parang may impact pala akong ganun. And yeah, I wanna inspire people more
Yeah.
and talagang continue being a good role model. And yun po. As long as I know I'm doing the right thing, then I'm proud to be a good role model.
Yep.
Thanks, guys,
Yeah.
for supporting me. I love you all.
True, true,
Yeah.
true. Thank you all. But with great responsibility, ano ayun? Um,
With great responsibility comes with great
baliktad.
what? With
Power comes
great
with great responsibility.
yes, yeah. So
And
yeah, at the same time, I'm careful kasi you guys are looking at me as a role model. So
yeah,
dapat
that's
tama
true.
yung pinapakita ko.
Pero, like,
Yeah.
I hope people would realize, kasi may isang question dito na something you wish people understand about you that they often don't.
Mm.
I hope people would realize na at the end of the day, we're all human beings.
Tao.
We're not
Yes.
perfect also.
Yeah. As much as we want to be the perfect role model, no one's perfect. We're people naman.
Yeah.
So I hope everyone's nice naman to understand na we're all the same. We're all equal.
Yeah.
Tao tayo lahat. Magkakamali lahat. So
But we have to
let's all
learn
be
from
nice.
it.
Mm.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
Wait.
Give everyone the chance to learn. Kasi, you know, as kahit na, role model kami, tao pa rin. So be nice with your words, guys. Kasi you know words are powerful.
Bro,
So,
true. I've learned it the hard way, so you should learn from me.
mm,
Yung
yeah.
ganon.
Kasi,
Okay.
yeah, guys, be nice.
Yep.
Just spread positivity.
That's true.
Especially ngayon, it's ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, guys.
And it's almost 2025.
Mm-hmm.
Ilang days na lang, weeks na lang. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, last question. Wait, oh my God. Ang daming question
Oh
eh.
yeah, perfect. Kasi it's 12:29.
Yeah. Um,
Yeah, it's okay, guys. Sa
ooh.
mga hindi pa na-answer questions, I'm gonna answer them tomorrow. Reply lang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sige, ito na lang. Para, I think this is a good end. Rain and Ate Jas, both of you are amazing at reading the room and being so empathetic. What do
Ooh.
you think are the pros and cons of that?
Mm. Got it, Jazz.
I, ac- I think that's why nag-instantly click din kami ni Rain because we're very similar.
Oh my
Di
god.
ba?
Wait lang. Just recently. Oh my gosh. Just recently. Like, I was just feeling, wasn't so good. Tapos, pero hindi ko pinapahalata kasi bakit ko pahalata sa world eh. So, but then, when I check my messages, we're just in the same table by, same table with Ate Jazz. Ate Jazz texted me, "Are you okay?" All caps. I'm like, wow. How did she know that? I was just, I was just going on with the flow, smiling naman there. Pero Ate just felt it. That's why I love Ate Jazz. Like, she knows me so well.
Yeah.
Even inside Kuya's house, very many times na, ayoko naman i-let out yung ano ko, yung nafe-feel ko. Kasi ayoko muna i-spread. Kasi if I talk about it, it's gonna be, down na, the energy. Pero Ate Jazz was there talaga. She knows. She knows me so well. I love you, Ate Jazz. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I was like, oh, this girl, she's not okay. So we're in the same table, pero hindi ko kasi siya katabi that time. Message lang ako,
Mm.
are you okay? All caps ta. Aw, I love you,
I
Ray.
was laughing. I love you.
Anyway, so yun,
What's
parang,
the question again?
both of you are amazing at reading the room and being so empathetic. What do you think are the pros and cons of that? I think the
Mm.
pros is, alam mo, you just know how to read the room and parang know how to kind of deal with people, adjust also at the same time. Pero the cons of it is not everyone in the room knows how to read. So sometimes it gets you, parang,
Mm.
sometimes naaanoy ka rin.
Parang
Why can't
naipit
she
ka
read?
tuloy.
Oo, like, parang, why can't she read the room? Or why can't he read the room? Like,
Yeah.
hello,
Yeah.
ganun.
Yeah.
Yun, parang, kasi
Na
iba,
parang parang nabigyan ka ng responsibility. Yeah.
yes. And,
Yeah.
parang, sometimes, nakakapagod din. Pero masaya naman, you have
Yeah, but
responsibilities.
I'm thankful God gave me this na I can read the room
Yeah,
kasi
ako din.
it's important.
Mm-hmm.
So, but everyone can learn naman how to read the room naman.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
yeah. It
Okay.
didn't come to me in an instant.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, just for last, kasi parang heavy yun. What's your
Oo
favorite
nga.
movie and why? Yan na lang. Like Christmas
Actually,
season. Oh, but that question
Home
was just
Alone
kidding.
talaga.
Ah, Home Alone.
Like, I watch it every Christmas. Tapos,
Yeah, true,
kahit
actually.
minsan wala akong ibang ma-watch, I'll watch Home Alone kahit it's not Christmas. Kasi, I don't know, very nostalgic and I just love it. I love it lang.
Yung ganun
Talaga.
ko is Parent Trap.
Parent Trap.
Yeah, Lindsay
I'm gonna watch
Lohan.
it. I'm gonna watch it.
Bro, you
Is
haven't...
that Christmas ba?
No, it's not Christmas, but that's like the
Ah,
very, like, if wala ko ma-watch, Parent Trap talaga.
okay. I'll watch that then.
You
Sige,
should
sige.
watch. Yun yung twins sila.
Oh.
Anyway, you should watch that. Pero every Christmas, yung kay Vanessa Hudgens.
Sige, sige. I'll watch that. Noted, noted.
Serendipity and Home Alone. See, ang dami mo pang kailangan i-watch rin.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sige. We have Christmas break. Let's watch it.
Yes, okay. So, yun lang guys, kasi papatulogin na kayo ni Rain.
Yeah. Yeah. Tulog na tayo, guys.
But
Sorry
she will
kasi
answer most of
yeah,
your questions
tomorrow.
daw
Yeah.
tomorrow. Pag yan hindi, kukulitin ko din si
Ay,
Rain.
okay.
Rina,
I will, I will.
Rina, answer mo.
Opo,
Pag
opo.
mong paasahin sila.
Thank
1.9 na yun ah.
Thank you so much, Admin Jasmine. Thank you so much, Ate Jazz, for today,
Of
tonight. Talagang
course.
hinos niya yung space ko. I love it.
Let's
Kasi I
go.
was like, I don't know what to do pala. And then you came. I'm like, bro, thank you, thank you.
Of course, I gotcha.
Yeah, this was
Tinulungan lang din
fun.
ako dati ng admin ko. So, I'm
Yeah,
just returning the favor and my
this was so
friends.
fun. This was so fun. I love you, Ate Jazz. Thank you for
I love
tonight.
you. Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone, for
everyone.
supporting Rain.
Yeah, thank you for everyone for supporting Ate Jazz.
Oh, thank you.
Kasi,
And all housemates.
everyone in the world, thank you so much. Thank you guys. I love you all. Matulog na tayong lahat kasi it's 12:34. So,
Oh,
let's
yes,
all tulog
guys.
na, and it's flu season pala, so let's all drink our vitamins and water. Also, you
Yeah.
Jasmine, Dudley Scales,
Yes, me too. And
Jasmine,
everyone, good night.
Helen, Dudley.
Guys,
Good night, everyone. I'm gonna end
good
this
night,
now.
everyone.